Hello friends, how are you? Today we will learn something different. Do you like to learn different things? Okay, today we will learn a very funny story. Do you like stories? Okay, now listen it carefully and if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Okay, be friendly. Look here. Okay, once upon a time there was a girl. Her name was Alorishka, who lived with her father, mother, and baby brother. Her brother's name was Ivanushka. Her, her parents were very poor, so they had to work very hard. Her mother told Alonushka to look after her baby brother when they had to go for work. Alonushka was a elder daughter of the family. She had to look after her baby brother. Once her parents told her to look after her baby brother when they were going out for the work. She seated her baby brother on the grass and she went to play with her friends. While playing with her friends, she cleanly forgot to look after her baby brother. And that time, the kids came down. They picked up the Ivanushka with them. They started flying. One of the uh, one of the children, one of her friends, saw that thing, and he started shouting, "Anushka, look, look! The geese are flying with your baby brother." Anushka became afraid. She couldn't know what to do. She started crying. She started chasing them. She ran after them very fast. But actually, they were geese. They could fly very faster. But she couldn't go home without her brother. What she could tell about her brother to her parents? So she decided to follow the geese. While chasing uh, the geese, while following the geese, she came to an oven. Oven showed her way, but after giving her a slice of bread. After eating that piece of bread, she came to an apple tree. She also requested the apple tree to show the ways where the geese have flown away with her baby brother. Apple tree also gave her an apple to eat. Alonishka tasted that apple. Then the apple tree showed her the way. After that, she came to a milk river. Milk river also offered her milk and showed her the way to the geese. While running behind them, she crossed the field and she came through the wood. At the end of the edge of the wood, she saw a hut that was turning. The hut was on hen's feet. It was a very strange hut, and that hut was turning round and round. And there lived a witch. Do you know witch? Which means a very horrible and wicked person. And the name of that witch was Baba Yaga. And she saw her baby brother Ivanushka inside the hut, in a corner of that hut. She went to the Baba Yaga and told her she had come to take her baby brother. After listening that thing, Baba Yaga started laughing. Come to take her baby brother? Ha ha ha! Now I have got your brother Ivanushka. Now I will get you now. I will see how you go out immediately. Alunushka jumped out of that hut, holding her baby brother, and started running. Then Baba Yaga called the geese and ordered them to follow the children and come back to her. The geese were following the children and Alunushka were running fast. She came to a milk river and she requested the milk river to hide them. Milk river hid them inside. The kids saw the birds here and there, but they couldn't find them. So they flied back to Baba Yaga. After, when Alunushka saw that there were no geese around them, she came out of the milk river and started running. She reached to the apple tree. Again, the geese saw the saw the children. They started chasing the children. Then Alunushka requested the apple tree again to hit them. Apple tree hid them in her branches. Again, the geese couldn't find them and they returned. After that, Alunushka again started running and came to the oven. Oven also hid them and the geese returned. In this way, Alunushka took her baby brother back again and she reached her home happily and she told her parents about the what happened that day. Her parents became very proud of her Alunushka. Alunushka did a very brave deed